Good morning guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am starting my new YouTube video. In this video we will learn about important questions for semester and examinations for BE third semester, Miss BE second year first semester fellows. This question has asked frequently in semester and examination second year first semester. It has been asked, and the year it has been asked at 2019. There are so many chances that it can be asked at 2021. So the question is, explain in detail about insertion and deletion of elements in doubly linked list. In doubly linked list, there are two types of linked list, singly and doubly. So most of the time it has been asked doubly linked list. So this doubly linked list consists of 10 marks. So we have to explain everything about what is insertion, deletion of elements, and what's going on in that. First of all, in our answer, as we know that as a doubly linked list, contains two parameters. As we all know that a doubly linked list contains two pointers, that is previous and next, and we can traverse. In doubly linked list we can traverse, but in singly linked list we cannot traverse. We can traverse both the direction, in forward direction and backward direction. And this is the main advantage. This is the main advantage of doubly linked list. This is the main advantage of doubly linked list. So if you revise this 1 or 2 times, then it is very easy for you to understand and to write in your examination. This is completed the definition of doubly linked list. So now we can write how to declare it. Declaration is important. Declaration of doubly linked list. How we declare that doubly linked list? Declaration of doubly linked list. In this, the structure node, this is the first starting point. We are opening the bracket. In bracket we are writing the total address. Here for your understanding, this is the structure node, means this is the name of the declaration part, and in these brackets, in open and close brackets, we are writing structure node pointing towards previous node, right? And then integer data, and then structure node pointing towards next node. This is the simplest declaration of doubly linked list. Here you are getting for definition 1 marks, and here you are getting for this 1 marks, 2 marks completed. This doubly linked list is also used in Java, as well. So what are the basics operation we are going to perform? We will see here. Basic operations we are performing in this doubly linked list. Some of the basics operation we can perform. In doubly linked list are doubly linked list are, as we know that the first thing is insertion. Here in our question is there, it is insertion and then deletion, and now with the help of example is required. This is part 1 only. There are 2 parts while writing a 10 marks question in semester and examination. So the syllabus, the question pattern is also going to decrease. Means there are 7 questions will be asked, we have to answer only 4 questions. If in 2021 they will ask easy questions, so it's very easy. Doubly linked list, total this doubly linked list consists of theory part and some of the example part, means some of the program part, only some program part, not fully program part. It will be very easy for you as compared to other problems. Insertion, if you want in any other doubts, you can write me in description box what concept you require, then we will discuss it in any language, in which language you want. Insertion, first is insertion. Insertion operation is performed in doubly linked list. Insertion operation of doubly linked list it will be inserts a new node. It will be inserts a new node in linked list. Why I am writing this theory part? There are so many subjects are there, right? In second year first semester you have 7 subjects. In 7 subjects there are some subjects are there like DSA, PL and DE and DM. This we have to practice, and BFE we doesn't require, somewhat we required, and BE some problematics will be there, and you can solve this. And one subject is there, and one subject is there, that subject name is OR. OR also we require practice. So these 2 subjects we doesn't require practice. So I am writing this theory part also in paper. Why? Because it's after I am writing, you should also practice it like this only. You have to find out the main keyword, that previous, next is the keyword, forward is the keyword in this, backward is the keyword. After completion we will sum up this all in linked list. So insertion operation of doubly linked list inserts a new node in linked list, right? Depending on the position. It's depending on position. I will send you the soft copies where the new node is to be performed or inserted. We can have the following insert operation. In this insertion also we can have the following operation. We can have the following insert operation or insertion operation, whatever you can call. Here we have to write operation is required. Operation is the keyword also in this. First, insertion. The insertion operation is performed insertion at front, means insertion at front, means at first side. It will insertion at first. It will insert a new node at first node. New node as the first node. Are you getting? Insertion at front means then the second point will be insertion at end. First front, then what will come, we will get in the mind, then the insertion at end, second point. It will insert a new node. Which node? New node at end of the last node. Then inserts before the node. You have to insert before the node. Third operation, it will be given a node, it will insert a new node, before this node. And fourth is insertion after node. I am writing insert. In some of the cases you can write insertion after the node. In the given node, it will insert a new node after this node. So we have seen that insertion at front means it will insert a new node as the first node. Insertion at end, it will insert a new node at the end of the last node. Then insertion at before the node means it will insert a new node before the node. Insertion after node, it will insert a node after this node. After means after completion of the node, it will insert a new node. Then second operation example we will see in next part. And deletion part. As we know that insertion and deletion. The deletion operation deletes a node. What deletion operation will do? It will delete a node. See in your you can see in your materials or in your I have the material. You can see in your materials or your madam or sir given notes. In that there will be very big. It will be shown how to do that. I am showing you in a simple way that you can understand. Means it's a normal language, not a complicated way. That okay. Deletion operation deletes a node from given position in doubly linked list. Means deletion operation deletes a node from given position in doubly linked list. Then there are types of deletion. Deletion of first node. In this deletion of first node, it will delete the first node in the last. What he is saying, logic is there. Deletes the first node in the last, right? Deletion of last node. How it will be takes place? Deletes the last node in the list. It will be deletes the last node. It is the last node in the list. Third, we will see the examples of insertion and deletion at part 2. The video has become very big, so in part 2 we will see the example of insertion and deletion. Then it completes our video. Then it completes our 10 marks important question. 10 marks important question for extended. Thank you guys. Hope you all are fine and enjoyed my video. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and which language you want you can.